Alright guys, so you guys are asking about NVDA, so let me go ahead and check the NVDA. So as you can see, NVDA, let's go into 5 minutes. So green DOA hasn't fired, so so far NVDA is doing a retracement after the gap up right here. So right now it's holding about 50 EMA, which is it's a good resistance. So once 5 minutes fire the green DOA, it's more likely gonna go back up. It's gonna go back up all the way. Let's see. Right now, once it fires, it's gonna go. It's it's inside of one of the strong resistance right now. I mean the supply zone right now. As you can see, let me draw that real quick. All right. 10. Oops. All right. There we go. So as you can see that NVIDIA is inside the supply zone of 4-hour chart. But as you can see that there we go. Let me fix that. Alright, you can see that in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, oh actually hold on. 60, alright, 5 minutes is red, 15 is red, 30 minutes is red, and if you look at the other time frames, it's still green. So right now, if 15 minutes breaks, if you go 30 minutes, it's gonna try to test right here, 242. So right now, it's 50-50. So it's trying to break out the supply zone, I mean. So as you can see right here, let me zoom it out. It's inside the supply zone. So if it breaks, once 1 hour, actually once 1 hour, yeah, once it fires, oh what happened? There we go. So once it fires here, the red DOA, that means it's breaking it, the supply zone. It's gonna retrace all the way here, the next support, which is 243. So to be bullish, it needs to break like confirmation that's gonna go up all the way up. It needs to break like 249.11. Then once it breaks 249.11, we can see AMD retesting and it's about 258 area. So that's it for AMD guys. So it's a good thing you can watch this once it breaks on 15 minutes. Once it breaks on 15 minutes, actually even 5 minutes, if it breaks at 200, you can go ahead and short that. But once it breaks like in 30 minutes, that's going to be a major retracement. It's going to hold here 141. But I would do a 240 call because the longer the strike price, the cheaper. And especially if you know if the market's going down, might as well get a longer strike price. But it's going to be in the money once it breaks in 15 minutes right here. It's going to rebound right here before it goes back up. But on Monday, if it gaps up, it's going to test in like 249. Let me see. Alright, let me see. Yeah, it's going to test in about 249 area. It needs to break to become bullish. So right now, it's a good thing to watch. Like, this is why you always wait for confirmation. You don't want to jump in and do call. Because if it breaks on Monday, I mean, you'll be screwed, you know. That's it guys, I hope it helps. Let me know if you have any more questions, if you want me to do some analysis on other stocks. You have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.